What?
Hungry.
Have we got anything in?
No.
Should we go out and eat?
Yeah. Why are you wearing a leg brace every 80s wrestler? What did you do?
Well, if people watch my latest video, they'll know. I injured my leg in Birmingham and I'm going to be on the crutches for a while. But they're gold, so it's cool.
I'm going to trip you up. What non-sponsored energy drink are you drinking?
Lemon ice.
And I am drinking a Mancunian Beatles tribute band. What are we buying?
Strapping for my wrists because I've broken them. Well, no, I feel like I have. Okay.
What haven't you broken? Patriarchy? What are we doing then?
We are getting food because we are hungry.
Yes, where are we going? Where can we possibly go to get food?
I wonder. Where can we find food?
Yes.
Because Rhee is a fucking alcoholic.
What have we got for our first ever Camden food?
Mulled wine.
You alcoholic. YouTubers react.
Yum.
Mulled wine is yucky. Okay, you got your favourite thing. What am I getting?
Deep fried Oreos!
Yay! Gonna be better than you fucking candle, one of them. Well, we had 4, but
We're so good!
we eated them all. Oh yeah. Food, 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 food. 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 Nom nom.
Empanadas.
Nom nom. See, this is what I like about Camden. I like the, I just like the really, really cute atmosphere. Oh. Then we did ours, which is even cuter.
What are we eating now?
Dutch pancakes.
Nom 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 nom.
Yeah. Rhee has replaced me. Rhee and Parrot Excellent Adventures.
What have we got now?
Mocky balls.
Mocky balls.
I'm intrigued. My God, amazing.
The mocky balls are cold, so what have we got now?
Hot apple and cinnamon, which I've never tried before.
Do it! So did that fill a little hole, babe?
No, I'm still really hungry.
You order pizza?
Yep.